Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be looking at the Y50 earbuds. These are Bluetooth earbuds that you can pair to your iPhone or to your Android device. Before we continue with the video, if you do enjoy our videos, please do hit that like button and please do subscribe to our channel. Without further ado, let's have a look into the earbuds. So they don't come in a box, they do come with this plastic packing. And in the plastic packing, we've got the earbuds, the instructions manual, and a USB cable for you to charge your earbuds. The instruction manual is in English as well as in Chinese. You got the USB cable over here that I'm going to put on the side, and let's have a look at the earbuds. So the earbuds come on this charging case, and at the back of the case you've got the USB connector and nothing else on the side. And let's open this up, and as we open, we've got the two earbuds here, as you can see. So we've got the right earbud and the left earbud. So just going to take this off the case. So the earbuds come with a protective film over here so that they don't connect to the charging pod. But we are going to remove them as we are going to be charging them for the first time and setting it up with a device. This is what the earbuds look like. They are pretty neat, look pretty nice. Okay, so let's have a look here at some of the features of these earbuds. So the earbuds supports a Bluetooth version 5. The wireless frequency is 2.4 gigahertz. The wireless range is between 10 to 25 meters. The battery capacity is 55 milliamps rechargeable Li-ion batteries. The standby time is 60 hours. Headphone playback time is 3 to 4 hours, and the talk time is approximately 4 to 5 hours. So very neat. I'm gonna give them a quick charge, and I'm gonna pair them with an Android phone so you can see how you can pair them with your phone. So to charge the earbuds, just remove the protective film from the connectors, open the case, and place your earbuds in the charging dock. So these charging docks, they have a small battery inside that will allow you to charge your earbuds on the go. At the same time, you can also use a USB cable to charge your earbuds. Next up, what I'm going to do is pair the earbuds to a smartphone. So we will get our Android test phone, and it's very simple as well. So unlock your phone, navigate over to Bluetooth, select more settings. In this case, my Bluetooth is already active, and I'm going to search for available devices. Make sure that your device is blinking and in pairing mode, and to do that, basically just remove your device from the case and they will start this pairing mode. So let's search here for available devices. I've got both of the earbuds out. As you can see, they are blinking, and now I am going to select on my mobile phone TWS, and this will now pair. So I want to allow, yes. Okay, so it's now paired, and let's test it. So I am going to open YouTube here, and I'm going to select one of my videos. It's now playing. Let's test this out. It's now playing on the earbuds. I can hear the sound. The quality is a medium range quality. These are unbranded, so they don't have a specific brand. The model is Y50, and they're currently available for sale in our stores. I'll leave a link in the description if you are interested in one of these. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next video.